Hello everyone, my name is Akash Unecha. I will going to teach a topic related to physics. So today we will going to see what is meant by energy. Okay, so let us start. So first of all, what is meant by energy? So energy is nothing but it is the capacity of a body to do work. Okay, so basically there are various forms of energy. Heat energy, light energy, sound energy, chemical energy and many more, etc. Okay, today we are going to deal with mainly with mechanical energy and its type. So let us start. What is meant by the term mechanical energy? So mechanical energy is defined as the energy possessed by an object due to its motion or due to its position is called as mechanical energy. Okay. So basically there are two types of mechanical energy: kinetic energy, potential energy. Now let us start. What is the kinetic energy? So kinetic energy is nothing but the energy possessed by an object due to its motion is called kinetic energy. For example, a moving vehicle. Suppose if I am moving on a horizontal curve or horizontal road, so that is nothing but that energy possessed by the me or that energy possessed by the vehicle is called as a kinetic energy. In short, whichever object is moving has a kinetic energy. Like one more example, a flying aeroplane or a bird flying in the sky. These are all the examples of kinetic energy. The next type of energy is the potential energy. Now what is potential energy? The energy possessed by an object due to its position is called potential energy. Okay. Now what is the example of potential energy? For example, say suppose if I am standing on a tall building. Okay, if I am standing on a tall building, so I am with respect to ground I am at a certain height. So the energy possessed by me is nothing but that is the potential energy. It's due to the position of my body with respect to the ground. Okay. Next example of potential energy, for example, a stretch spring. Suppose if there is a stretch spring is there, so it has a potential energy. The energy that is stored in the spring is nothing but that is the potential energy. One more example, suppose if I have a ball in my hand, with respect to ground it is at a certain height. So there is a ball in my hand. If I release it, the ball will going to fall down. So that potential energy will get converted into kinetic energy. Now let us see what are the formulas of kinetic energy and potential energy. So first, what is the formula of kinetic energy? The formula of kinetic energy is 1/2 mv square, where m is nothing but it is the mass of an object and v is the speed of an object. Next, what is the formula of potential energy? So potential energy, the formula of potential energy is mgh, where m is mass of the object, g is acceleration due to gravity and h is nothing but it is the height of an object. Okay, remember the SI unit of energy is joule. So therefore SI unit of kinetic energy is joule, SI unit of potential energy is also the joule. Okay, next, now let us see the difference between the kinetic energy and potential energy. So what are the difference between kinetic energy, potential energy? First point, so kinetic energy is the energy possessed by an object due to its motion. Second, what is the definition of potential energy? The energy possessed by an object due to its position. Next, kinetic energy mainly depends on the speed of an object, while potential energy mainly depends on the position of an object. Okay, understood this? So thank you.